Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary magic, exploring the fantastic realm of air frying, and unlocking the secrets of air fryer hacks and tips for better cooking. So, grab your aprons and get ready to embark on this flavorful journey. You might be wondering, why air fryer? Well, it's like having a powerful gust of wind that whisks away excess oil, turning your favorite dishes into crispy delights with a fraction of the calories. Plus, it's a speedy kitchen companion, making cooking a breeze. To help you make the most of your air fryer, we've compiled a treasure trove of tips and hacks to elevate your culinary creations. Let's start with step 1, the preheat. Imagine stepping into a hot bath. It's way more relaxing than jumping into a cold pool. The same goes for your air fryer. Preheat it for a few minutes at the recommended temperature. This ensures your food starts cooking immediately and prevents any unwanted sogginess. Now, let's move on to the oil mist. To achieve that glorious crisp, a little oil goes a long way. Instead of dousing your ingredients in oil, invest in a refillable oil mister. This way, you can evenly distribute a fine mist of oil, ensuring your food crisps up beautifully without excess grease. And now, move on to our next step, rack it up. Many air fryers come with racks or trays to maximize space. Don't be afraid to stack them up. Just remember to shake, flip, or rotate your food halfway through to ensure an even cook. As we proceed, don't forget to keep air fryer in check. Taming the beast. Know your air fryer's temperament. Each air fryer has its own personality, so don't be shy about experimenting with temperature and time. The key is to check in on your food and adjust accordingly. Let's not forget that patience is a virtue. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. Don't overcrowd your air fryer basket, it needs room to breathe. Overcrowding leads to uneven cooking and prevents that coveted crispy texture. Number 6 is parchment paper. Parchment paper is your kitchen confidant. It not only prevents sticking but also makes cleanup a breeze. Just be sure to cut it to fit your basket, leaving room for air to circulate. Elevate your dishes to gourmet status by infusing them with an artful blend of spices, turning ordinary flavors into an extraordinary culinary experience. Whether it's a sprinkle of salt, a dash of paprika, or a pinch of your secret blend, seasoning is the soul of your dish. Experiment with different spices and herbs to elevate your flavors. Number 8. Embrace the shake. Give your ingredients a good shake or a gentle flip halfway through cooking. This ensures that every side gets its moment in the air fryer spotlight. Number 9. Don't neglect the spray. For foods that need that extra dose of crispy goodness, consider giving them a light spritz with cooking spray. This trick is especially handy for items like frozen fries and chicken wings. Number 10. Soggy bottoms. No more. To prevent foods like pizza from getting a soggy bottom, place a small heat-resistant item, like a ramekin, beneath the food. This lifts it slightly and allows the hot air to circulate evenly. Number 11. Temperature matters. Different foods, different temperatures. Delicate items like pastry or fish prefer lower temps, while heartier fare like fries or chicken thrive at higher heat. Consult your trusty recipe books or online resources for temperature guidance. Number 12. Be patient with desserts. When making desserts like cookies or brownies, it's better to undercook them slightly and let them continue cooking as they cool outside of the fryer. This keeps them chewy and delicious. Number 13. Measuring matters. For a truly balanced meal, make sure to measure your ingredients accurately. Overcrowding or underloading your air fryer can lead to uneven results. Number 14 on our list is none other than the mighty marinade, a flavor-enhancing powerhouse that transforms ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces. Marinades add layers of flavor to your dishes. Don't forget to drain excess liquid from marinated foods before air frying. This prevents excessive smoking and sogginess. Number 15. Cleanup is key. A well-maintained air fryer ensures consistent cooking and extends its life. After each use, give it a thorough clean, paying attention to the basket, tray, and heating element. And never forget the golden rule, clean as you go. 16 is safety first. Always remember, safety comes first. Follow your air fryer's manufacturer's guidelines and don't forget to use oven mitts when handling the basket or tray, as they can get quite hot. Number 17. Experiment, explore, and enjoy. Lastly, don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different foods and flavors, embrace the creative spirit in your kitchen, and make each air frying adventure a delightful one. In the world of air fryers, culinary creativity knows no bounds. From crispy veggies to mouth-watering wings, you can conquer your cravings with ease. Remember, Cooking is a journey, and your air fryer is your trusty guide through this flavorful expedition. So, there you have it, our 17 air fryer hacks and tips for better cooking. With these tricks up your sleeve, your air fryer will become an invaluable companion on your culinary adventures. Share your own tips and tricks in the comments, and let's build a community of air frying enthusiasts. Until next time, happy air frying, and may your meals be delicious and crispy.